Troubleshooting a slow-running fan. In this document, we will explore the common reasons why a fan may be running slower than usual and provide practical solutions to address these issues. Understanding the underlying causes can help you restore your fan's performance and ensure it operates efficiently. Possible causes: dust and debris. Accumulated dust on the blades and motor can cause friction and reduce efficiency, leading to slower speeds. Faulty capacitor. The capacitor is responsible for providing the necessary power to the motor, and a faulty one can cause the fan to run slowly or not at all. Electrical issues. Loose wiring, corroded connections, or a worn-out motor can also lead to slower fan speeds. Lack of lubrication. Over time, the fan's motor bearings may lose lubrication, leading to increased friction and reduced speed. Imbalanced blades. If the fan blades are not properly balanced, they can cause the fan to vibrate and run slower. Worn bearings. Damaged or worn bearings can cause increased friction and reduce the fan's ability to spin smoothly. Faulty fan control. Issues with the remote control, wall switch, or speed regulator can also cause the fan to run slowly. High temperature. In hot weather, the resistance of the fan's motor windings can increase, causing the fan to run slower. Troubleshooting and solutions. Clean the fan. Regularly clean the fan blades and motor with a vacuum cleaner or a soft brush to remove dust and debris. Check for loose connections. Inspect the wiring and connections for any loose or corroded connections and tighten or replace them as needed. Test the capacitor. If you suspect a faulty capacitor, have a qualified electrician test and replace it. Lubricate the motor. If the motor bearings are dry, apply a small amount of lubricant to the bearings to reduce friction. Balance the blades. If the blades are unbalanced, you may need to rebalance them using balancing clips or weights. Check the fan control. Ensure that the remote control, wall switch, or speed regulator is functioning correctly. Consult a professional. If you are unsure about any of these steps, it's best to consult with a qualified electrician or fan repair technician. By following these guidelines, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve issues related to a slow-running fan, ensuring it operates at optimal performance.